Hi guys, this is DVIJAHH and welcome back to my channel and welcome to my channel if you have landed here for the first time. So this video is going to be about unboxing a gift box that I received from Bagaholics.in, and I've heard a lot about their brand. I have actually bought something from their brand, so I'm really excited to open the gift box. So I thought, why not make a video and take you guys through that journey of unboxing it. So here it is, and let's get started. Let's get it open. This is such a pretty packaging. Yay. It's one. And I've got another one. Pink. I love pink. So let's open this pink one first because it's pink. Duh. It's like I use it every time and anywhere. I'm speechless. Okay, I love it. It's a Potli bag. You know, this is so in right now. Super in. Thank you. We're so happy. Look at that. Oh, it's velvet. Look at the pearls. So cute. I think it's super multi-purpose. I know it's ethnic something, but you can wear this with a one piece or something and it's gonna look dope. I'm super happy. Okay, you open it. Nice. And it's so pretty. Look at that, gems, rhinestone, cute little detail side. And this, it's pretty spacious. You see, it's good. I love it. Thank you. So as I said, I have bought certain shoes and other bags from this, but I've never had a Potli bag. This is the first thing I have. I'm usually not into this, but this is so good. I'm getting better at this. Finally, it's peach. You can already see it. I don't know how, but they've guessed my favorite colors. How adorable is this color? How I love it. This is so multi-purpose, and then this is super ethnic. This is big. This is big. This is big. Look at that. Look at the gems. Sparkling. I'm speechless, I swear. I love it. I really love it. I love the detail. This is so pretty. My mom's gonna be so happy to see this. I swear my mom's gonna take it from me. I'm not kidding her. Actually, I'm going to a wedding today and tomorrow, so I might even use it.
Back from the dead.
I really hope that weddings would have such kind of return gifts. I'm asking for too much, I don't know, but it's really cute. But if you want to get yours, you can definitely click the link down in the description box and get your hands on this beautiful Potli bags from Bagaholics.in. And not to forget, they have one of the biggest collection of Potli bags in India. Not one of, I guess they are the biggest. So I hope you get your hands on one of them.
This is so good. Thank you so much.